Good afternoon po, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Masaya to.
Kitong application po for BHW.
Kadtong gipas na okay?
Yes po, ma'am. Tapos
okay.
pwede po sad mo video for
okay lang.
school purposes po.
Okay. Ang imong requirements tabi. Okay, introduce yourself.
Good afternoon po. I am Kirk Miguel Beltran, 22 years old. I am currently living at Magsaysay, Mainit, Surigao del Norte. And my hobbies are tugtog guitar and mag-code. And I am very passionate po sa akong mga works, especially sa field po with physics.
Okay. But sa BHW, mo imo ang ipili to show your capability.
Yes po, ma'am. I am very much interested po sa work sa mga barangay health worker, and kanang ang akong gina-pursue po after grad is I want to pursue medical field, and kanang I think being a barangay health worker is one of kanang experiences that is required for me to be able to reach sa akong kanang goals, as I wanted to be a kanang doctor po.
So what is your strength?
Akong strength mo, makaingon ko that I am a very good team player, as I am also kanang part pod sa kanang org sa school, a Christian org, and I think dito pa lang po, ma'am, na hubog po ang kanang akong strength to be able to be sociable and to work with one another despite po sa differences, because I think it is one of kanang strengths po na ako, ma'am.
Kung ma-hire ka ng BHW, anong pwede mong gawin for the team?
I think po ang kaya na kong buhatan is to be able to fill in the gaps po kung sa may mga needs sa team, and isa na maingon ako, ma'am, is that I am able to encourage po sa uban akong kauban, and to be able to fit in po, as dili pod ko ganahan to have kanang complications with my teammates po, and as much as possible I want to be in peace nga magtrabaho po. And so I think makaingon ko that the things that I can do for the team are very much beneficial, and also to add, I can also kanang help them to be more efficient sa mga works na trabahoan po as a BHW.
Alam mo, Kurt, walang sweldo ang BHW.
Yes po.
So, kung walang sweldo, meaning volunteer lang na sila, then aabot ka ng 1 year before ka maging registered BHW. That's the time na makadawat ka na of mga incentives from the LGUs, later on from the province. So, kaya mo ba?
Yes po, ma'am. I think kaya na ko.
Maraming ginagawa ang BHW.
Yes po.
Okay. Kaya mo mag-smear ng pupo?
Yes po.
Pagkutaw ng sputum?
Yes po.
Kaya di kalud anon?
Dili po.
Mabuti
I
naman.
mean, it is new experience po para sa ako, pero I am very much willing po to learn and buhaton po siya.
Basta lakas ng loob, determination, tapos teamwork.
Yes po.
Learn to love na sa field na imong gipili at ayon sa'yo, kaya mo man ang mga challenges ani na field. But so far, I know your passion, but tawagan ka na lang if ever outside development ani sa imong application.
Yes po.
So, sa karon, mag-wait ka lang kay manawag ka na sa imo.
Okay po.
Okay?
Yes po.
I hope nga maka-work ka in this field na makadugang sa imong gustong malaman kung unsa ang nasa field na ini na work. So, makatabang at unsa man ang imong goal ani na work nga imong gustong ma-experience, makatabang ini sa imong goal kung unsa ang imong plan the next na opportunity.
Yes po. Pero I think, ma'am, kaya po na ako to volunteer for 1 year.
Mhm.
And I am very much willing to stay for the meantime lang po to work as a barangay health worker because I want to gain food experience po.
Okay. So, in that case, maghantay ka na lang sa tawag namin.
Yes po.
Okay?
Thank you po.
Okay.
Thank you so much po.